Hey, good morning, boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday morning, November 9th, just about 9 a.m. I am in the UP of Michigan. I'm going to turn you around here for a second. Here we go. This started about 15 miles south of Gaylord, and anybody in the state of Michigan knows about Gaylord and the amount of snow that they get. They're right in the middle of this magical, non-magical snow belt, whatever. It's been one hell of a long ride so far, but everything is safe and sound. It was triple this. We're talking a full-on whiteout blizzard. Could not drive in the what I'm going to call the passing lanes of the freeway. Awful. In fact, this is the best I've seen in the last hour and a half, whatever it's been, almost 2 hours. But yeah, good old-fashioned November snowstorm here. I'm hearing rumors that the entire northeast of the UP of Michigan is to get blasted. In fact, I'm hearing lots of schools been canceled. Right now I'm entering that, and I've got to drive through it all the way home. I hear that we have a little snow at home as well. Nothing like this, but just a nice dusting. It must have snowed last night or something like that. Anyway, I'm on my way home. I was very fortunate enough to take off about a quarter after 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. this morning. All is well. I did not get to take, well, I failed to take a end product video. Yeah, awesome. Just an awesome, another great evening of hard, dedicated work by one of the greatest new signal construction teams in the country. Period. End of story. Very proud to be a part of that crew. Awesome. This has been one hell of a week. There hasn't been a whole lot of sleep. Hardly any at all. There's been a lot of chilly evenings. I dare say stress, but just regular work stress. Work for a living, you're going to go through a little work stress. You better, otherwise you got it made. Just a lot of great work was performed. We have happy customers. All is well. Everything went off without a safety glitch, which is always our style. And perfect world. So anyway, here I am heading home. Snowstorm. I'm going to turn you around. Here's Lake Michigan. There is a couple of areas on this ride that you are directly this close to Lake Michigan. It's absolutely beautiful, especially in the summertime. In fact, I think right now it's beautiful. It's pretty nice. But anyway, I've got my little list here going on. I've been keeping tabs on since I've been driving about what to do here this weekend while home. I'll say I'll have a long weekend. I'm gonna get home hopefully about noonish today. With the bad roads, it's gonna be about noonish. And yeah, I got the whole weekend, and I'm probably not taking off until Monday morning, directly after morning chores, because we're not reporting back to work until Monday night anyway. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. Biggest concentration while home is going to be starting of vaccinations. I'm going to quite simply start, and I'm starting this afternoon, with all the penned steers in the barn and to the lean-to, which is 16, that's 22. And then I need to heavily concentrate on the animals I plan on shipping to the first week of December feeder sale down in St. Louis, Michigan. I need to get them picked out, corralled. Those need to be vaccinated immediately. Those are the only ones going for my fall sales. The rest I am keeping all winter for spring sales. So anyway, that's one of about 100 things on my list. Then just normal chores, and the list goes on and on. And most importantly, try and enjoy a little bit of this weather. Hunting season's coming up next week. Maybe do a little preparing for that. Yeah, so anyway, don't really know what else to say here except for that I'm on my way home, and this is going to be one hell of a long trip. But that's okay. In fact, we have vehicles in the ditch up here. Not very smart of me to be taking videos and driving at the same time in this weather, but I've never really been called a smart man, so no harm, no foul, I guess. Yeah, I probably shouldn't do this, but we'll keep this video rolling here when I go by this accident. There's also a plow truck coming too, so we'll keep this rolling. Hope I'm pointing the phone in the right direction here. It's actually a beautiful snow. It's only 31 degrees, so it's a nice fluffy, almost a wet snow, so it's kind of sticking to the trees and pretty nice. Appreciate everybody following the videos in the last few days with the railroading. I sure wish I could have showed you more or done more to show you how special of an ordeal that was for us, and how strong a work ethics, and what a great group of individuals and great crew, and it just, the list goes on and on and on. Something else that I'm very, very proud about this morning, that I finally just seen, that I think I hit a day or two ago, was 500 subscribers. Unbelievable. I am honored, flattered, tickled pink, proud, you name it. It makes this all worth it. I'm not out for glory here. If you've probably heard that from me before. Yeah, let's get you turned around here. I'm gonna put you down. I don't care for this police officer to see me taking videos. That's just kind of nasty. You don't do that when it comes to accidents. There's really no reason for that. But anyway, 500 subscribers, and I'm just tickled pink about the whole thing. Very proud about it. Thanks to everybody. Like I always say, I'm going to try and do a little bit better job with the videos. And we're coming into some beautiful winter farm videos. It won't be long, and I'm going to stop the silage, corn silage, to the steer lot, Holstein steer lot, and it's going to be baleage. And yeah, we got a lot of good things to come. So anyway, thanks for everybody following this week and ever since. And I'm going to pass this semi because I can. And everybody have a great morning and a great day, and hope your weather is a little bit better than ours. All right, guys, we'll talk to you sooner and later.